Hello friends, it's Witta and today we're gonna check some cool gadgets that I saw on TikTok. Here we go! What are these? Strange sticks? Interesting. What can it be? Maybe this soundbar or what? Wow! That's cool, that's really interesting thing. It's like the sticks that are reacting with colors on sound. It's like very cool for design or for a party, for example. I would buy them. That's a cool thing for your home. Wow, that's a cool thing to make your day better. But if there's no sun, so no rainbow. But anyway, that's a really nice idea for your room if you have like the sun side. What is it? Is it related with food? So I like it already. Strange thing. That's a s'mores maker. Interesting. But actually, I don't think this thing is very needed because you can make it without this stuff. And also, if you eat a lot of biscuits, the next thing that you have to buy is a trainer machine for your body because there's like a lot of calories. Okay, what is it? Some sticks, a tape and a toilet and okay, that's a cool thing for toilet when especially you don't want to touch it and you have a boyfriend who always leave it like up. So yeah, that's a cool thing. Okay, what is it? It's a white pencil for your bath. That's interesting. Is it like waterproof or not? Strange thing. You can just wash your bathroom and that's all. And the last thing, for your hair. Yeah, actually it's a useful thing, especially when you have a long hair and if you are a girl or a boy with a long hair, maybe also. So yeah, that's a useful thing. What is it? A small phone? Is this a new model of new iPhone or what? It's really so small. Oh my god, it has a camera. Interesting. Wow, that's a cute thing actually. Like if you have a child and he really wants like the phone, you can buy it. Interesting. What? Case for iPhone? Whoa! No way, I don't think that's true. If you think that it's real, it can be like this, write in the comments, but I don't believe. Well, that's not a bad thing for like mamas who are sitting always at home, but I think that's not very effectively when you're doing like two things in one time. It's better to do sport or to go to the gym or to work and do some like, I don't know, some work on computer because in the same time it won't be like very effectively. At least I don't need this because I'm going to the gym. Sausage and an egg. I hate eggs. It's like, I don't like this. Sausages, maybe, but eggs, for me, not. I don't like this. But maybe if someone like eggs, that's a cool thing for quick cooking, but not for me. Eggs. Wow. That's interesting thing, especially for guys who like Marvel. So that's a cool gift, maybe for kids, for children, but be careful, then they can shoot you.
Are you tired of your iPhone? Then why not get a Sony Clie?
What is it? It's a Sony laptop, an ancient device or what? Is it for like our grandfathers and grandmothers or grandmothers? It's like 20 years old or what? If there's like Instagram or YouTube? No, there's nothing. You can just draw something there and that's all. And what? Now I will never change my phone for this. A lamp. Wow, that's interesting thing. Do you see it? It's changed its color because of the item that it's under it. Wow. That's interesting. How does it works at all? That's a cool thing, really. It's so cool to touch it and to push it. It's like an anti-stress. I need it. Okay, a sock. A sock. How does she do this? Okay. I don't know. It's like useless. You can just bend and put your sock on by yourself. It's obvious. It's like maybe for like some people who are sick and have some problems with health and cannot bend, okay, maybe for them, but at all I don't think that anyone will use it.
Excuse me, sir. Can you put your mask on, please?
That is a
Put your
mask.
mask on, please.
That is a
I am
mask.
wearing my mask.
He has a mask. Look
Please,
how it's
sir.
like.
I am. See? Let me check.
It's ideally matched to his face. I need this kind of mask. I need the same mask for myself. But when the woman doesn't understand that he's in a mask, I can see it. It's like obvious. He's in a mask. There's like here and here. That's a cool mask for prankers actually. Yeah, nowadays you always need to wear a mask, and that's kind of annoying because all the time you want that everybody see your face, see how you're beautiful. But anyway, that's a cool idea if you want to show your face to everyone.
Like the look of my room. This is how I done it. LED strip lights and also a galaxy projector. Then switch them on. Turn off your light.
And that is just so easy to make this kind of room. It's so beautiful, it's so atmospheric. I want a room like this. It's like you live in a space. Wow, that's a cool idea. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Put your likes, subscribe on our channel, and write in the comments which gadget would you buy. Bye bye!